Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a stable base. Sit so your elbows are at a right angle and the keyboard is at elbow height. Move your index fingers to F and J where the tactile bumps guide placement. This gives you a consistent home row anchor. Once done, let your thumbs hover or lightly touch the space key. Don't tense them. Make sure your wrists are neutral, not bent up or down, because that reduces fatigue and speeds up accurate reaching for other keys. You now focus on how each finger should move. Assign columns so the index, middle, ring, and pinky each cover predictable keys. This prevents overlap and confusion. When you press, pivot from the knuckle joint rather than swinging the whole wrist. This keeps motion small and efficient. After every key press, return to the home row immediately because that reset builds speed. Once comfortable, practice short timed drills like common letter pair. You complete a session by consciously returning to the home row and taking a breath. Relaxed shoulders and periodic breaks prevent tension buildup. If you feel strain, tilt the keyboard slightly 0 to 15 degrees or add a soft wrist rest to improve neutral alignment. Small changes can produce big comfort gains. If accuracy still falters, slow your typing tempo to 60 to 70% of normal speed and repeat focused drills. This recalibration helps your fingers relearn precise distances and reduces persistence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.